Alright, once you've opened up Adobe Illustrator, create new. Let's start with print and choose letter, then create. So now we have a letter sized piece of art. And what we're going to do is first go to our rectangle tool. And I just want you to make a rectangle. Then I want you to go to the select tool, select your rectangle, and I want you to choose a color for your rectangle. You can use this slider to choose any color you wish. And then I want you to choose the stroke, which is the outside color. So we'll make this reddish. Now I want to thicken up the stroke. So I go over here to appearance and just make it thicker, right? Next thing I want you to do is go back to your rectangle tool, click and hold it. Go to the ellipse tool, that's just round, and I want you to make a perfect circle. To make a perfect circle, instead of just clicking and moving it, you see how you can make it round, whatever, like an egg. Click shift, and it's going to hold it. Click and hold shift, and it'll make a perfect circle. Right? So now I'm going back to my select tool, and I've got a rectangle, and I've got a circle. And the rectangle is in the bottom, the circle is on the top, right? If I want to switch that out, what I'm going to do is change what's on top. To do that, it's simple. Just go Object, Arrange, Send to Back. Right? So now the circle's in the back and the square's in the front. Next thing I'm going to do, go to the type tool, click write something, your name. Right? So I just wrote my last name, selected it. On my characters, I can switch the type, switch the size. I can also use a selection tool, and I can make it long, wide, or I can increase the font size just by holding shift and make it all equal, just like I did with the circle. Right? So what I want you to do, fit your name in the box, then I want you to fit the box in the circle. Once you've done that, I want you to create a robot using shapes and colors. And that will be on the class website.